Meanwhile, at the Vetch Field, Swansea City players are preparing for tonight's preliminary round in the European Cup Winners' Cup competition, when the opposition will be Braga of Portugal.
Well, it's a very important match for us, Peter, obviously. You know, we by choice we wouldn't have wanted to play in a preliminary round, but there's not much we can do about it. It's come a little bit earlier than we would have liked, you know, middle of August, competitive matches. But things have gone very well pre-season for us. We've won the 4 games we've played, and we've probably prepared as intensely for this one match as we've done for any since I've been at the club. But I would like to stress still, we are still getting fit, you know, and it's difficult to gauge, you know, just how match fit the players are.
Ideally, what kind of result would you like to see here tonight to take to the second leg?
Well, I don't know. I think the main thing is that it's 90 minutes a match lasts, and it's only half time after tonight's game. But we would just like the people who come here to be patient with us, and obviously it would be nice if we could take maybe a 2-goal advantage into the second leg with us.
Tony Howard, you're the football secretary here at Swansea City, one of the few men that have actually seen Braga play. What sort of team are they?
Well, they played a 4-4-2 when I saw them play, Peter, last week. I don't think they're a disciplined side. They had 1 or 2 good players, no one outstanding. And certainly, having seen them, I'm convinced we're a better side than they are.
They lost in the Portuguese Cup last year to Sporting Lisbon. What kind of football do they play there?
Well, they play, I suppose, in many respects, the typical Latin type of game. They have players who can do a little bit on the ball. But they're not good players when they're not in possession of the ball.
So do you think that Swansea can do it quite comfortably this evening?
Well, in the game that I watched, they conceded 3 goals, 2 of which were bad defensive goals. And the fact that we've scored 14 in 4 games, I think suggests that we can certainly score goals against them.